welcome to this ninth video of quadratic equation. In this video we are going to see one more method called as formula method, and why we have to use this formula method. We can use this formula method to any type of sums, especially the sums which we cannot solve by factorization method. We have in previous video we have seen one method, completing square method, which can be used for the quadratic equation which cannot be solved by factorization. Like that only, this is the another method to solve by formula. So there are two methods, completing square method and formula method, which you can use for the quadratic equation which cannot be solved by factorization method. Which one is easier for you? You can use that. Okay. Now I have taken the same example of x square plus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0, which we have taken in the previous video of completing square. We have seen that we cannot factorize this 2 to get its addition of factors as 10. Now by solving using formula, what steps we have to do? We have to compare the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 in this standard form. So we will write comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form. Values of a, what is a? A is equal to a coefficient of x square is 1, b is 10, and what is c? C is equal to 2. We have seen this part. Now already this all three terms were on the LHS, so we have directly started. If it is not, we will take this in form and then we will compare. Now what we will do, we will find the value of b square minus 4ac. Initially we will find how to remember. But once you do 4-5 sums like this is very easy for you. So what is b square minus 4ac value? B is what? 10. So what is the square of 10 minus 4 into value of a, that is 1, and value of c, it is 2. So simplify this, you will get 10 square is 100 minus 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, and that subtraction you will get it 92. Okay. So now this subtraction we have got 92. Now we have to take square root of this. Therefore square root of b square minus 4ac is equal to square root of 92. Now we have to see, can we write this pure surd into mixer? Means as it is a square root, can we have factors of 92 such that one factor is a perfect square? If you are not able to do directly, you can do one simple thing, that write 92 in rough and divide by whichever number you can divide. As here it is 2, you can divide it by 2. 2 4s are 8, 1 remain, 2 6s are 12, 46 you got. So again you can divide it by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now 23 is a prime number, so 23 ones are 23. So 92 is 2 into 2 into 23. So here you find the pair of 2. So it is a perfect square of 2. So 92 you can write as 4 into 23, where 4 is a perfect square of 2. That's why square root of 92 you can write 4 into 23. Out of this 2 pairs, 4 is a perfect square, and therefore it is square root of 4, that is 2, which we write and outside the square root side, and under the square root it is 23. Now what is the formula? The formula is, now using the formula we will write, using the formula x is equal to minus b. What is this formula? Minus b plus or minus this value. What is this? Under square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. I'll copy this here. Therefore, x is equal to, what is the value of minus b? Minus value of b is 10 plus or minus. We have simplified this term over here. That's why we have done this before. And we can now write directly this value, this square root 2 into square root of 23. Upon 2a, this 2 into a. 2 into value of a is 1. Okay. So this we have written. That's now write x is equal to, what is the denominator? Your denominator is 2. Now you cannot cancel this 2 with one of this. Students find it Very tempting to cancel these 2 ones and 2 ones are here. Don't do, because here it is addition and subtraction in between and you cannot cancel like this. So what you have to do, you have to take first common, and here 10 and 2 you can take 2 common, and in bracket will remain minus 5. 2 5s are 10, but that is minus 5. Plus or minus, it is square root of 23. So this 2 has taken common. Now when you have taken common, this you have got in the product form, 2 into this bracket divided by 2. Now you can cancel this 2 ones and 2 ones are, and therefore value of x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 23. So here also you have got the same values which we have got in the completing square method. So your solution can be, answer can be, first you write x is equal to minus 5 plus square root of 23. Why I am insisting to write this step? Because sometimes marks are given in the marking scheme by the board for this step, and if you do not write, you may miss your half mark. So don't forget this. So either x is equal to this value or x is equal to minus 5 minus square root of 23. And now you write the solution part, that in bracket minus 5 plus square root of 23 and minus 5 minus square root of 23 are the solutions of your equation. Okay. Now you have understood this method. So let's simplify this first question from practice set 2.4. Okay. I will write this question over here. Practice set 2.4, question number 1. X square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we can see that even this question, and also the given quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c form. So while writing this, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, values of a, b, c now I will change here. Okay, of course this will change. Value of a is going to be 1, value of b is now here it is 6, value of c is 5. Okay, and that's why what is value of b square minus 4ac? B square, b is 6, 6 square minus 4 into value of a is 1 and here value of c is 5. So 6 square is 36 minus 4 ones are 4, 5s are 20. This subtraction is giving us 16. So what is the square root of b square minus 4ac? So it is square root of 16. Now 16 is a perfect square. So square root of 16 is 4. Okay. So here we need not to find such factors and all this. So now using the same formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus this under square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. What is the value of this? So let's calculate over here. Therefore, x is equal to minus b, that is minus value of b is 6 plus or minus value of this b square minus 4ac is 4 upon 2 into a is 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 6, either plus 4 upon 2 ones are 2, or it can be x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Okay, so this will give us calculation minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 upon 2, or x is equal to, this is minus 10 upon 2 is equal to, therefore x is equal to either it is minus 1 or x is equal to minus 5. So here you have got two integers as answers. So your solution will be equal to minus 1 and minus 5 are the solutions of this quadratic equation. It means that this equation can be solved by factorization method also. But it is given for us to solve by formula, we have solved it by formula. And last one more sum I would like to explain, that is fifth sum. Let's do it. That fifth sum is y square plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. Now we can see that this is not in the standard form. So we have to make it into standard form. For that we have to remove this 3 first. To remove this 3 we have to multiply each term by 3. By multiplying this y square by 3 we will get it 3y square. Plus 1 upon 3 multiplied by 3 we will get only y. And this 2 multiplied by 3, 2 3s are 6. We have got this by multiply 3 to each term to remove this 3 from the denominator. Now let's write in the standard form, that is 3y square plus y, taking 6 on this side, left side, minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have got this in the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Of course, the variable is not x, it is y. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, your values of a is 3, b is 1 and c is equal to minus 6. Now we have to find value of b square minus 4ac. So b is 1 square minus 4 into a is 3 into c is minus 6. Now 1 square 1 minus minus will become now plus. 4 3s are 12, 12 6 are 78, correct? 12 6 are, sorry, 72, 6 1, 6 12, 6 7, 72, yes, it is 72. So it has become 73. Now 73 is not a perfect square, that's okay. So b square minus 4ac, its square root is going to be square root of 73. Now 73 is a prime number, so you cannot get its factors also, okay. So you have to keep as it is. Now writing the formula. Now using formula, we can write x is equal to minus b plus or minus under square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus, what is the value of a? It is 1, plus or minus, this value is 73. Okay, dividing by 2a, a is 3. So your answer is minus 1 plus or minus under square root 73 upon 3 2s are 6. Now you cannot take anything common. So your two answers are either x is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 73 upon 6 or x is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 73 upon 6. So these only two answers you can write in your answer statement, that this and these two answers are the solutions of your given quadratic equation. Now from these three illustrations, you can solve any sum by this method. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to like and give your comments and share it to your friends. Okay. And if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much.